Okay, here we get to the string array. In order to create an array of strings, first of all we need to set up a new function, create empty. Okay, all these things are here that don't mean anything. Just create an empty string that has nothing in it. So after 1 bit, 8 bits, 16 bit, 32 bits, okay, we have to create an empty string. Okay, we set the encoding to 0, and then the capacity is 0, string length to 0, size to 0, and data to 0. As long as everything is set to 0, it doesn't really matter. You can keep using all the functions like get index, set index that will just do nothing. Return length, get length, set length. As long as the length is less than string size, which is 0, then nothing will happen. Everything will just return 0, and everything's fine. So that's necessary in order for the array to work, for the string array to work. Okay, to create the string array. The string array is we have the length of the array and an array of strings. Okay, to make sure that we have an array of strings, in order to, when we create it, we create the array, the length of the array by the length specified, the number of characters specified, and the array data by allocating the string size of string type length. So it's just an array full of strings. That's all the object is. Again, if everything's created correctly, then for I equal less than length, we create empty strings. We set every string to empty. That's just to make sure that everything works fine, and then we can just populate the array later. To insert a string, we just get a pointer. We get a pointer later. We get a pointer to the particular index in the array, in the particular string in the array, and then we destroy the old string, whatever was there before, and then create a new copy in it, a new copy of the existing string. That's what this function right here, to create a copy. To create a copy, we just create a new string that has the same characteristic as the old string, the same length and same encoding, and we copy each character in it one by one. So I just create a string as a copy of another string. Create range is to create a string that has the same as, that is close to the other string, but just a part of it. It's same as to create copy, but we're going to creating a part of this, a portion of the old string. Okay, it's the same thing, but it doesn't matter right now. Okay, to test it, insert string use the same as insert here, array insert, but just to cheat, we have to make one for creating character strings, because I don't want a duplicate function inside array, so we just put it here instead. Okay, we create the array, we insert a string in the array at a particular index. Okay, we destroy the previous string that was there if it's 0, and then create a new string, a new character string in its place. To print it, we print it at a particular index. We modify print string to put the index of the string, where in the index the string was found. So if the length is equals 0, then we print a null. We calculate the length of the string, and then if the length equals 0, we just print 2 dots just to make sure there's nothing, just to indicate that the string is empty. We'll see that later. And then these are all the strings I'm inserting. We insert all these strings into the array, under the array object, and then insert all of them one by one into their own buffers. Create 20 slots, and then insert all 20 slots. Okay, to modify things, we're gonna make 40 slots just to show everything. Okay, to show everything, we just create 20 slots, and then we print the string by getting a pointer to the string. Array get pointer. Array get pointer here is just to return a pointer to a particular index inside a string array. It's getting confusing, but bear with me here. Okay, create the array and then insert 40 things into it. And here's the result right here. We have all the strings right here set to the particular array that we want them to set, and then all the strings that we don't set, they just get indicated as null. It's not very complicated right now, but this will become important later when you get hash tables and other stuff. Okay, we just insert all the strings and print them and then destroy. That should be simple enough.